In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and purchase Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your Xbox console, regardless of the Xbox console that you have, Xbox One, Xbox Series S, or Xbox Series X. You will be able to play the same version of Minecraft Bedrock Edition as everyone else. So Bedrock Edition is made to be fully compatible across all platforms. That includes Xbox, of course. So to acquire it for your console, you can either visit the official Minecraft website and choose the option to buy it here, or you can do this process through the Xbox website. You can also follow along by opening the store directly on your console. First, if you go over to the store on the console or you visit the Microsoft or Xbox website, you can search for Minecraft. On the list of results, you will see it pop up here as the first main result. And if you do it through the website, just click on Xbox under platforms and it's going to redirect you to the same page. Minecraft is included with Game Pass, so if you have it, you can download it and start playing right away. If you don't have a Game Pass subscription active, you will need to purchase the game for $19.99. And you will be able to choose between the Standard Edition, Deluxe Collection, and finally Triple Bundle. Triple Bundle will include other games, and the Deluxe Collection will include add-ons. So there's going to be this DLC that's going to have some additional items, so you can browse through the screenshots and see what is included. As long as you purchase Minecraft through the Xbox store, you will be able to play it directly on your Xbox console. You might also be able to find physical copies, so choose whichever one you prefer, either through the store digitally or through a physical copy. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.